Hey guys, happy Wednesday, or probably Friday when you're seeing this. Don't quote me on that, but probably Friday. So I did a poll on my Instagram stories. If you're not following me on Instagram, you can follow me. I will insert a screenshot of my Instagram over here, asking you which Colourpop palette to do a palette bingo with between Main Squeeze and Ooh La La, and Main Squeeze won. If you're not, I can't get it open. Hold please. Okay. If you're not familiar, Colourpop has a range of monochrome palettes, and this is the red one. Now I'm not gonna lie, this is probably the one I'm the least excited about. Not because I think it's a bad palette or anything. It's just these kind of tones aren't really my thing. Like I was super excited for the blue one. The blue one's like my favorite. The green, the purple, the yellow, reds just aren't. I mean, they're pretty colors. They really are. It's just not my thing, you know? But this is what you guys voted for, so we're gonna go ahead and get into it and see what I can come up with. Okay, I went ahead and pulled up a random number generator on my old phone. I film on my phone because I'm not a professional, so this is just my old iPhone. There's 9 shades in the palette. We're probably gonna go, I think I'm gonna go with 3 shades like usual, because I feel like if I do 4, that's almost half the palette. So okay, so I put 1 through 9 in here. The 3 is just the number that was in it when I put the numbers in, so we're not going to use the 3. So our first number is 2, and then 3, and then 1. Okay, so we're using the top row of the palette today, which is, okay, so these 3 shades are what we were given. This is Froze, this is Juicy Fruit, and this is Home Slice. So only gave me 1 actual matte because Home Slice is kind of satin. I don't know. It's okay. We'll make it work. Okay, I went ahead and primed my eyes. I just used the MAC Painterly Paint Pot. I did my eyebrows off camera earlier. I did do a tutorial on how I do my eyebrows. I will put that in a little card up here somewhere if I can figure out how to do that. And also, I'm going to apologize in advance now. I already know that the lighting is going to be all over the place in this video because it's about to storm. It's nice and sunshiny now, but I can see the black clouds rolling in, so I apologize if it gets really dark all of a sudden. Mother Nature's not going to work with me today, and I use a window for some extra lighting, so I'm sorry. But anyway, to get started, we're going to go in with Froze on a BH Cosmetics Studio Pro No. 6 brush. And I'm just going to take that up in the crease. Okay, this color's a little bit brighter than I thought it might be. Okay, now I'm going to go into Home Slice and deepen up the crease a little bit. I think I'm going to do a full cut crease today, but I'm going to take these two shades in my crease, and then I'm going to do this one on the lid. Oh, and this is a BH Cosmetics Studio Pro No. 8 brush, but I'm going to switch brushes. I'm going to use the Morphe M507. Now I'm just going to go back in with some more Froze on the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro No. 6 brush. Just kidding, this is the wrong brush. On the BH Cosmetics Studio Pro No. 6 brush, and just blend out those edges more. Sorry if I'm at a different angle. I took my phone down for a second to check the weather radar because it got really windy and really dark really fast, and I live in Arkansas and summer storms are no joke. So I was just making sure we're not gonna like have any tornadoes here in 5 minutes or something, but I think it's just windy. So anyway, back to what I was doing. I'm gonna cut the crease with some Maybelline Master Conceal. A really good trick if you're not really sure where to cut your crease is to put some concealer right on your lash line and then look down and see it'll transfer onto your lid, and that's about where you want to cut your crease. Especially if you have hooded eyes, it's a great trick. Now, I usually cut my crease a little bit higher than that anyway, just because that's how I like to do it. But if you're having a hard time with cut creases, if you have hooded eyes and you're like, why isn't this working for me? Just put some concealer on your lash line and look down until it transfers up onto your lid, and that's a great place for you to start. I'm gonna get a different brush. This one was my favorite cut crease brush, and now it's starting to fray. Okay, so now I'm just using a Real Techniques pointed liner brush. Okay, now that I'm pretty happy with that shape, I'm going to go in with Juicy Fruit, which is the gold shade, on a Morphe M421 brush. Ooh, the shade looks really gold in the pan, but on the eyes it's like a more peachy gold color, if that makes sense. The shade is really cool because in the pan it just looks like it's gold, but like on the eye it's kind of got like a red tint to it. Like it's kind of duochrome. Like depending on which way you look, it looks like it's kind of pinkish red. I really like it. And the storm's here now, so I apologize if it's like super dark and you hear thunder and wind, because it got really dark really fast. Okay. I'm just going to move on to the other eye now. Okay, now that I've cut the crease on both sides, I think I want to do liner with this look. I think it would lend well to doing liner with, because I think otherwise it's just missing something. So I'm going to get some liner. I'm going to go in with the Stila Stay All Day liquid liner. This is just the black shade. The gold's mixing with the liner a little bit. I don't know if it's because this liner's old or I put too much color in. Okay, my wings be looking a little more like sisters than twins, just like my eyebrows, but that's okay. I'm gonna go ahead and peel the tape off. I like this palette a lot more than I thought I was going to. I know I had that whole speech about how I don't like these colors and blah blah blah, but I really like this look, so I will play with this more than I thought I would, I think. We'll see. I don't know why I don't like reds like that. It's just not my thing. So I went ahead and did the rest of my face and my lashes off camera. It seems to have calmed down enough now that it's just raining and light thunder, so hopefully I can get this finished. I'm just going to go in with Home Slice on a smudge brush from Real Techniques and smudge that right under my lower lash line. And then on a what is this? On a precision smudge brush, I'm just gonna go back in with Froze and blend out the edges. Okay, I'm gonna go in with some mascara on my lower lashes. I just used the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. This is just the black one. This is really not the best mascara for doing your lower lash line because the wand's so big. So if anybody has suggestions for lower lash mascara, let me know because I don't really have a good one. All of the mascaras I have really big wands on them. For lip today, I'm going to go in with this Colourpop Ultra Matte in Top 8. Funny thing about this lipstick is I didn't pick this out. This was something that they sent to me as a freebie one time when my order was running behind, and it's like one of my favorite lipsticks from them. So I guess Colourpop knows me better than I know me because I probably wouldn't have picked this out, but it's one of my favorites. So alright, well, here's the finished look. I enjoyed that a lot more than I thought I would. I mean, honestly, I don't know why I stray away from reds so much. I mean, they're gorgeous colors. It's just not something I ever mess with. I've got like one other red tone palette, and it's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. But other than that, like all of my palettes are colorful. Really, honestly, most of them are just colorful palettes. So yeah, it's nice. I guess it's nice to have this in my collection, and I definitely will use it. I don't know why I was being so snobby about it being all reds because they're pretty colors. I'm just weird and have a thing against using red eyeshadows. I don't know. But yeah, here's the finished look. I hope you enjoyed, and I will be back with more soon. I'll probably do Ooh La La next because I haven't touched it since I bought it, so I'm saving it for you guys. But anyway, I'll talk to you later. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pull up a random number Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pull up a random number Dear God. Shelby, why? Really? Shelby, I'm trying to film. Are you done? Here comes Midna. Yep, there you go. Can you move, please? Thank you. Move! Nobody wants to look at your butt. Thank you.